it's your boy, Roman. There we go. It's your boy, Roman, with a creed. So, welcome to another video. Today, remember that thing I said in that Cold War video I did? That is, hey yo, that is, hey yo, I got a laptop, but it's actually Windows 7. But remember, beggars can be choosers. Is that how you say the sentence? Yeah, I had to include is that how you say the sentence? Because, I don't know, I thought it was funny. But now let's actually play Civil War General, a game I wanted to try out because it's actually very cool. Because it's basically the Civil War, but General Edition. So let's actually play this, and because why not? Am I right? So let's check these out. Let's go to historical battle. Gettysburg sounds cool. Chickamauga. Second battle. You know what? I want to try out the most infamous battle, the Battle of Gettysburg. That's the most coolest one. I want to either be those Confederates or Union. I want to be Union, boy. Because when I picked that, I'm just thinking of that song. It's like, you know that song? It's like the Dixie songs. Like, I wish I was in Dixieland. But there's like a Union version of it, which is more cooler. And also, the remixes of it is really, poggers. I will link in description the thing I'm talking about. So yeah. So, I hope you can hear me in actuality. Because I'm using screen recorder. Screenomatic, I think its name is. Basically, I don't know. All I gotta say is, it's something. So I'm just stuck with these generals, which I'm completely fine with. You know what? I'm okay, fine. I will take the generals. Take my money. You know what? Oh dear, knights. Why is it so laggy all of a sudden? Oh, there we go. Let's pause it. Time. I played this mission before. I know it. You know what? Let's not play the second map. Let's not play Gettysburg. Gettysburg. Oh, so cringe. Instead, we're gonna play another. Let's play custom mode because I think it's not gonna do anything at all to get Gettysburg. It's just because I like it. Scenario battle mode 6 hours ideal for a quick battle. I picked that because I'm too lazy to actually make my own corpse. Which we all know I'm lazy at. I'm just very lazy. We only have like 2 generals. Which I don't like. I want another general. We want more general. I don't know why I made that voice. I hate it. My line was rather. That's rather. I'd probably saying the word wrong. Who cares? Like a man trying to walk against a strong wind. Oh. Hey, you coincidentally is in Gettysburg. The same place where we're gonna, make the Confederates cry, or either we're just gonna have a heart attack ourselves. We're just waiting for 4 minutes. Oh, there we go. So I want the first corps here in this. I want the reinforcements to be bigger units and the early reinforcements. Yeah, that's all I want because I don't lose all the units now. It's just because I want more guys, so I feel like I'm getting more guys. Am I right? I think you don't understand what I'm saying. It's like you're talking to an insane man, which the game. There we go. It got the game crashing. So yes, this may be, we must defend this, but in actuality, you know what? I don't want to defend this. This is not good. So in actuality, let's do a gamer PogChamp plan. Instead, we're not gonna defend this because this doesn't have, any thingies that I like. I don't know what I'm talking about. So let's just, bring in the boys. So let's just make everyone retreat except for the skirmisher units. I just, you know why? Because skirmishers are basically just groups of men. You just need to go to the front line in front of the enemy and just make the enemy have a heart attack. I'll use the cavalry for later. I don't want you to be involved. I just need you just to fight. I want you to fight the enemy. I'm gonna make this guy go. Because when these guys are basically flankers, they flank the enemy. So I'm gonna place these guys over here. Because they're gonna flank the enemy. And I want this guy over here, so, you know. So yeah, now we're going. I think it's a good idea since, you know, our, units will, because we'll get choke slammed if we stay here. So let's just, we're moving. See guys, we're moving. So as you can see, our 4 skirmisher units. Where's our set? You know what, guy, go there. Oh no, I don't have time. You know what? You stay here. You defend here. This guy's gonna be the guy that defends the top flank. Not all skirmisher units will just be defending the top flank. That's all I need now because pretty much we all know that the enemy is gonna flank our butts. Oh damn, those units be looking fine though. Damn boy, he kinda thick though. I gotta guard this top flank because I know that the enemy's gonna go spill here and just gonna push down here. So I don't want that. So we're just trying to make a little thing. The other part we don't literally have no defense. We are defenseless. The top flank is filled with defenses. This unit is. I think putting you as a flanker was a terrible idea. That was a terrible idea. That was definitely a terrible idea. Now you gotta run. Now we gotta put this unit to running time. Oh yes, I forgot about you. You're gonna be defending that. Oh, you'll be defending that. Why am I not able to use these units? Oh, they are going to defend that. Okay, I think that your corpse has arrived, sir. Yeah, baby girl, let's go! Let's go. Oh, damn, those supplies looking kind of fine, though. Not gonna lie. And also, why you're wondering, hey, why isn't there 1,000 of them on the screen? Friend, though, if you don't understand, 1,000 units on the screen is gonna block the entire screen. It's gonna lag the game, so yeah. And also, everything's in 2D. Have almost everything here is 2D except for like the ground and also the trees, which is kind of 2D. Oh no, the Confederates have arrived. Okay, I need these guys to quickly defend one of these hills. Oh gosh, they're skirmishers. They're skirmishers. Oh gosh. You know what's even scarier than escape by fire? Okay. Oh, there's the fighting. That's cool. Just drop your cannons, please. Oh, there they are. They're now turning into cannons. Let's go. Why are they shaking? They're just getting massacred by my troops. Oh. Oh no. Oh no.
Wait lang.
There's 1,000 Confederates. Oh no. Oh jeez. Sorry if this video is gonna be, the combat will be short. It's just because, I had to spend half the time, waiting in the waiting screen. I want to put my I want to grab my second units guarding the top flank to the bottom flank to help in. But I know I can't because it's gonna, not help me win. So you know what? I fear that, I gotta stop. I'm gonna make my top unit go guard here. So these guys will be in for gosh, there's so much stuff to defend. Oh no. Oh no. I want to defend. You know what? This is so not good. This is really not good. I'm gonna send in another skirmisher unit to guard the southern flank. Because I know that they're gonna push through from the south. They're gonna push through from here, but at least I won't. At least they're not gonna push. If they push here from here, if they push from here to here, they're gonna face our reinforcements, which they really don't want to. Now we all gotta do is just defend the flank. That's all we gotta do. That's what we just need to do now. I just want my other unit to reach the cannonballs so we can resupply the guys. You know, the boys, the 10 boys. Man, boy, he kind of thick though. I'm just saying, you know why am I saying they're so thick? It's for a good reason. Damn, that's a thick, chunky unit. That's a thick battalion. And you can't lie to me, that is one thick battalion. Okay, we stopped the skirmishers from pushing in. Oh no! Oh no! You know what? This is not good. So, pretty much it's... I don't know how to do this anymore. I know what am I doing, but still. I'm just saying that because it seems fun. Not you, I'm just gonna put you here to, be with your friend. Because I'm saving this up for the other guys. Oh dear, Shrike. That is not good. That is really not good. There's 1,000 Confederates! I played this mission before, but I used to defend this, but I abandoned it and retreated to the town. I'm gonna hold on to this town if it's the last thing I do. You know what, guys? If this reaches 30 minutes, I have to end the recording so it can be, a bit faster when I upload the video. So yeah. Oh my! How am I gonna do this? Why? Hey yo, fire! Hey yo, fire, my man! Those Confederates are reloading. Fire, my man. No, David, you are a brave man. Hey, yo, he got lots of cover, though. He has 100 cover from trees? He gained 100 cover from trees. They're just crushing the Confederate forces. You just removed 100 guys from their team. Oh, come on, Confederates. Oh, come on, my dudes. Come on, my mans. I wonder how did they manage to make that formation. I'm kind of a noob to this game, actually. Not that to the point I'm trash. I'm just wondering. Yeah, it's probably just a defensive thing. Oh, come on, Confederates. Get something better to do. Ah, these stinking Confederates. You don't feel frank, you're literally you have more than men. I need to destroy these guys real quick. I gotta destroy these guys real quick because I need to push my units. I need to, I need to, do the thing. I'm thinking of, sending in my flanker unit to here, but I just don't feel like it. I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. My flanker unit, no. Okay, we've routed them. That's all we needed to do. We need to rout them. I just feel like this unit's not gonna do anything, but these units will not do actually anything. I feel like they're not gonna do anything, so I'm gonna make a front line. I'm gonna make a trench of them. So yeah, that's not good for them. Either for these guys who attempted to interrupt these guys. I don't know why would you do that, but it's your fault. Now you have it's 40 minutes over.